Hi guys, in front of me is Hammerblade 3 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first unroll the list of all apps and go to the settings. Then find and select display and click on wallpaper. Wallpaper, not dark theme. Now select the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Let me choose wallpapers and now you can smoothly choose the picture that you like the most. So actually there are 4 only pictures. Let me apply, for example, this one. Click on Set Wallpaper, then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. And that's it. From now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.